Easy Phonics with Cikgu Amran. Kuh, ch, sh, th. Instructions. We will read this line by line. I will give the cue for each line. Kuh, ch. Kuh, eat, quit. Kuh, is, quiz. Ch, in, chin. Ch, op, chop. Quit, quiz. Chin, chop. Sh, sheep, ship. Shop, shop. In, thin. Three. Ship, shop, thin, three. Well done. Bye.